So it's winter, which as you can see is just nothing but snow and no spray paint. In order to make myself not go crazy, I think I'm gonna have to find some other things to do with my time. Which, if you've been watching my channel a little bit, I've been trying to do some sticker slaps, keep those creative juices flowing, but I think I need more. So I think I'm gonna get on the internet machine and get myself some more stuff from Bombing Science. So that's not it. Let me try again. That's it. Haha! Let's go. Boom. Let's open this baby up. Get my little knife. Beep, 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 beep. Yeah. Ooh. Get out of here. All right. Got some stickers. Let's take a look at these. On the run. 30 years on the run. Ooh. Those are coupons. BombingScience.com. Ooh, some bigger ones. Yeah. Might have to do a video with these on as well. It's more space. I like that. Another one of these. Ooh, some caps to play around with. Can't remember what the pink dot. That should be interesting. What else? I did get. No. Okay. The winter pack, I realized after I bought it, came with 5 markers, but they're assorted. I bought it because it had a white and blue, or white and black in the picture. But look at this. I got purple, pink. What is this? What? It's like salmon? Peach pastel. Boo! And like 2 of almost the same green. Okay. Bombing Science, that's a strike against you. I think I purposely chose this one. I really wanted that white and black. Whatever. It is what it is. Put that down there. Well, I did get some black liner. That should be nice. Oh, some nibs to replace these if these ever. So these things are pretty expensive. They're like $3 or $4, $5. I don't know, but they are. You can refill them, and you can replace the nibs. I haven't done that yet, but I wanted to make sure I had some with me. Some more nibs, but these are the extra fine 1mm. I got some Exacto knives to do some more better stencil work later. And this is part of the winter pack, the black book. Let me check out this paper. See what kind of paper we're working with. Oh, all right. It's a little coarser. Looks like it's more absorbent. If it's more absorbent, it's not gonna. It's gonna have less of a chance to go to the next page, I think. But we'll give this a shot. Not in this video. All right, some eggshell stickers. Blah, blah, blah. Oh, reusable. The band is attached to the box, and I can just flip through all of these. Oh wow, I didn't realize that I bought so many. I might as well go through some of these. Boo. dislike. Yeah. Nope. We got some to spare. All right, that's enough for today. Oh, I forgot up here. Just had a little fun. That's the unboxing I had for that. I'm really disappointed in these paint markers. I would not have chosen Peach Pastel. I know that they were on sale and you just get a bunch of randos, but these are not what I was hoping for. Whatever. As you can see, I need to work on my hand styles and my tags. But I also think I need a bigger chisel tip marker, but this is my favorite right here, the last one. There's always room for improvement, but that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.